with the brains and people, this power couple from Sephira by Amara. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Miss Rhonda Tai and Mr. Eric Tai. Of course, this is spearheaded by this lovely couple. Truly an amazing powerhouse that is so inspiring and truly golden in their right. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the COO of Amara Shia Jewelry, Mr. Ian Aquino, and the CEO of Amara Shia Jewelry, Ms. Sheena Sevilla Aquino. On the visionary behind Amara Shia Jewelry, a leader, a mentor, and a woman who continues to redefine what it means to shine. Let's give a round of applause once again to Miss Sheena Sevilla Aquino.
Shine check everyone! Good evening! Sobrang saya ko talaga today. I'm really excited to be here kasi what we're celebrating is not just another milestone. Dash? Charot. ChatGPT. Pero isang first in the Philippine jewelry industry. After the amazing success of Amari and the beautiful comeback of Miss Janella, I really realized once again that when people share the same passion and purpose, something truly magic happens. And now, the same energy continues as we welcome our new chapter, Sephira by Amara. When I started Amara Shia, ang pangarap ko lang talaga noon was to build something bigger than just a jewelry brand. I wanted to build a family of dreamers, believers, and doers na may puso, may integrity, at may malasakit sa bawat mga mangko. Not just for sales, for all our clients. Sa industry na madalas puro competition, we choose collaboration. Kasi naniniwala ako, when strong woman and brand works together with trust and respect, mas malayo ang mararating natin. Mas maliwanag ang kinabukasan at mas may purpose ang lahat ng mga ginagawa natin. This partnership is proof that when vision meets hearts, we don't just grow, we evolve, we inspire, and we lift each other. Thank you so much for being with us today. Witnessing another milestone, not just for Amara, but for the whole jewelry industry. This is just the beginning, mga mangko. And together, we'll keep shining brighter than ever. Thank you so much and good evening, everyone.
Thank you so much once again. Brain behind its growth, marketing, sales, and operations. Please welcome Mr. Ian Aquino, the Chief Operating Officer of Amara Shia Jewelry.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Ang hirap tapatin.
Yan naman.
Hindi ako rin. Wala. Hindi ko pa na rin. Anyway, so, ayun, gusto ko lang congratulate yung Amara and the whole team. Congratulations sa bagong chapter na naman. And as always, kayo na naman nauna sa industry. I mean, this is the first time na may mangyayari na pag-acquire ng another brand. Which is, yun yung vision kasi ni CEO. Kaya nasabi niya, instead of competition, mas okay talaga na collaboration. So, still, there's a competition internally. Pero, ayun nga, sa kanya kasi, lagi niya sinasabi, even before na yung pag-protect niya sa industry, sa mga clients, yun talaga yung pinaka-mission ng Amara. That's why, nung nag-start yung company, nag-reinvest talaga kami. We invested a lot sa mga machineries and to protect the client. Doon talaga napunta yung aming path. And now, I think Amara is the one of the leading company when it comes to jewelry industry. And ayun, congratulations sa lahat and keep up the good work. And ayun, may bagong parating na ring na. So ayun, so napakasarap pakinggan kasi nagiging part siya ng Amara company. And she's a good friend of ours na ngayon. And napaka-grabe potential talaga. Nung first time namin siya nakita, na-amaze talaga kami. Sinabi ko talaga sa kanya, ikaw yung pinakamagaling na seller na nakita ko. Ayun. Thankful at the same time, actually papasalamat kami at tinanggap mo itong partnership. Naniwala ka dun sa aming vision and hopefully mag-grow pa tayo together. And congratulations in advance. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Ian. Maraming salamat for sharing your insights. Now, in a world that we all strive to be the best on our own, this event shows that we can be the best that we can be if we hold our hands together and shine together. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, mga ma'am ko, queens, everyone, friends, the moment we have been waiting.